They are bigger like you, Luca. So they pick them up directly from the nest. When they are very little, they bring them down here and they train them. The training is 1 month. They use the female for hunting because it's bigger and stronger than the male. The male is that one, is smaller. The male only for reproduction. They have 4 of them here. Normally when they do the training, they keep them without food for 3 days, and after they go and ride them on the horses.
What do they do? The eagle?
They ride the horse with the eagle.
Underhand?
Yes, and when they see the animal, they let the eagle go, so they go hunt the animal.
So you mean they do this? They take off the helmet so they can see, and after they go?
Mm-hmm.
We are staying in a yurt tonight of this family that we are going to be our hosts, and they're all eagle hunters, including the daughter that's 11 years old.
She's 11, guys.
And she's a hunter too. She has the male.
She's running right now. Because the male is smaller and lighter, so she can handle that for now. Because the father has the huge one, it's really big, and it's the female. It's amazing how these people, they can actually go ride the horse really fast and get the eagle with them.
Yeah.
It's really heavy, really strong, and they just go in the range of mountain and just hunt. Wow. So this is the arm rest, and the eagle is gonna sit on his arm and he rests the arm while he's going on the horse. And this is the saddle.
This is a Kazakh saddle.
Oh, silver?
Yes.
It's very genius, guys, how they make it. Oh, here we go.
I think we have to take the shoes off.
Hello. Hello. It's big. Are you having fun? They use the camel to bring all the stuff.
If they're double humped, you can't see their humps, or they push their humps down.
They're taking everything off the camel, and then they're going to build it.
They say it takes 2 men 2 hours to make a girl like this, but how much would it take for 5 men? You see, these are the cool camels with 2 humps. And this one's humps are a little bit deformed, let's put it. I'm going to tell you a cool fun fact about why camels, they don't have the thing like the horses in their mouth. The thing to bring them is right there on their nose. The reason why is because camels, their lips are 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. And if they put it on their mouth, they're able to take it off actually. But if they put it on their nose, they can't take it off. And let's get back to the gur. They're putting the wood to hold up the structure. It's gonna go from this to that down there.
Now they're putting the roof up. These camels have something to say. Hello, I'm a camel, and I took this girl for 1,000,000 hours to come here to bring it so it could be built. Ta-da! Oh, my name is Gur Camel.
It's flabby. This is my thing, then I carry it. Blah.
Then they have these humongous toes, and then they are bald. I think that means they're getting old. I wonder if this camel's like, I guess I did a lot of effort bringing all this stuff, and now it's gonna be a house. Too bad I can't live in it, I'm too tall. And now they have added even more sticks that the camels carried. But because up in that roof over there, there's a bunch of tiny holes to put the sticks in, and then they tie the sticks to the wall, or what is going to be the wall at least. A lot of people are holding up all the sticks and all the parts of the walls and tying everything.
Almost completed the gur. I'm joking, they have a long way to go. It's been like 30 minutes.
12 minutes and 25 seconds.
And now they're putting the sidewall. They put it at the spot they're supposed to, and then they get these 2 strings and start to go around. Now the gur is looking like a girl.
Now, I'm assuming they got the white tarp, which goes on top of the gur to make it look like an igloo, which is not what it's meant to look like, but to me sometimes it looks like an igloo. This is a very big tarp.
So they are mostly finished it. It's looking more like a gur. As you see, they left left, though, this tiny spot which you saw before as the door, which when you go inside, as you see, there's the roof. There's little holes in that piece of round wood that they attach these things to. It's very soft. And they're supposed to add a door here. And these go all around, lining it to keep it up. So yeah, there's a lot of elements to go with the gur. Guys, he just put on a furry coat. It must be really hot in this weather. He looks really cool in the coat. I wish I had myself a coat like that. It'd be super warm in winter. They look like those people who were dancing. Oh, that's from Bulgaria. In the fuzzy costumes. What? Oh, I get to put it on here.
Oh my gosh! Cosimo was cold, and so now he gets to try it on.
Guys, that is heavy.
It is heavy.
You look like a giant bear.
No, you look like a Viking. Now we have a Viking in the family, guys. Look at that.
Time to teach you next,
bear.
GoPro. Whoa.
We got here luckily on the day that this group of photographers from the US are here. So we get to take pictures of the eagle hunters all dressed up.
We met a group of American people. They came here in a tour for photography, and this is the guy that organized everything. What's your name?
David McKay.
David McKay. What's the name of the
McKay Photography Academy, but McKaylive.com. McKaylive.com. Lots of eagles. And we met this guy. And he's awesome. And his family. And they're awesome.
Thank you so much, guys, for following, and thank you for being here.
Absolutely.
We are a pleasure to meet you.
Now we're going to go have some fun with some eagle hunters. And you're going to join us.
Let's do it.
All right.
During the winter time, they go out for a day. They go 10 eagle hunters together with the horse and the eagle. They go out early in the morning. They hunt the entire morning, and in the afternoon they come back with all the stuff that they got.
He is very heavy. Here's the holder. It's so heavy.
I'm gonna put it on the ground softly.
You try? Don't know how.
Oh my gosh, it's really heavy.
Imagine how heavy the females are. You're gonna have some really deep parts.
That's a big scar there. Oh my gosh, it's going in my eye. Look at that.
Dot here, and see, she got all these dots. That's her shoulder. Can you leave it actually trying to cut?
At least it didn't pinch me.
You have the same hair.
Oh!
Gosh, you're in my photo. Mas is very proud right now. This is like, yeah, he's an eagle hunter now.
Oh wow, can I fly?
Of course, the eagle loves bobbles.
Trust the process. Trust the process. We keep on have this reminder. We didn't know that we're gonna experience this one today. All the eagle hunter, they dress up and they jump on their horse.
This is not how they go out in the summer. It was very lucky because otherwise you have to come in the winter to see them like this.
Yeah.
They're all really hot right now.
But we are at the right time, in the right place, all the time. So normally when they go in the car, they put the eagle inside the pack like this. Wow, it looks like a baby.
Whoa, it's heavier, like this. So guys, this is another eagle packed up. Mom, they're giving the eagle water.
We're pushing the water in the eagle.
Like that.
I think really going with them. Oh, so it's the flap they put under.
Oh, poor eagle. He's getting wrapped up very tight. The time will I'm just saying. Say bye.
What do you think of it? Keep it like that? The horse is going to fall.
And the eagle is gonna go inside. Guys, it's amazing. I mean, they make it so simple, and they have the eagle under their arm, and that's it. They put the eagle in the back, and off they go. 4 people and 3 eagles. And 2 horses.
So we found out that they actually set it up because there was this photo shoot. We didn't know that. So now they have to take it apart. Go there, help him hold it.
Hold it.
You hold it. There you go. Perfect.
It's holding the roof, so it does not fall on our heads.
So we have to undo each one of them with the rope and everything.
Tie each one of these red
Why
sticks.
is holding that?
And then they have to tie all of these to open up the wall. See, if you cover this up in fabric, it's a giant hat. What do you think, Dad?
Yes.
Or this whole thing could be one giant hat.
This morning they were gonna build the gur, but then they were missing the door. At one point they stopped, they kind of covered it up, and then they actually pulled it down. But now they have the door, so they started over. So now they're actually gonna finish it. And we will see the final product. And then Daddy's like a statue doing a time lapse, and Cosimo and Emma.
I'm a pole.
Because he's walking slowly so we can see him walking fastly. You know what I mean.
I'm a pole.
Here's the famous door. I have no clue what they're saying. She's testing the beds. There's so many layers to this thing. It's amazing. I didn't even realize it until now.
Oh my god!
Dad, don't do it. There goes Dad.
You got this!
Yes, stop.
He's very moody. Like, this guy is heavy!
Oh, he's running. Bye, Luca. Oh, now Luca wants to drive. Well, that camel's leaving. This one's jealous. Let me take him for a ride. No, it's me taking him for a ride. I want to do it. No, me. Down he goes. No, cut. Much better. I love it. Your face smashed to the ground. Okay, now she's gonna try. She's gonna show off how good she is. Oh. I want to see more smashing face. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Action.
Wait.
Action. Perfect. I love this. Okay, one more time, Luca, one more time. Clip 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Wait, I forgot.
Oh, wrong side. Yes, you're right. 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Action. Look at that. Look how cool. That's how hot it is. Luca, do it again. More. We want to see more. Wait, Luca, video me now. I'm gonna do this. Ready? Woo. Okay, stop. You see it just all goes away.
See, she's telling you to stop, so stop.
No, she's continuing. She's continuing. Bad example.
They're driving! Woo! 3 grown men skipping rocks on the lake.
Yeah! Woo!
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and click the bell so you can know when we come out with the next video. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook so you can see what we do. And maybe I'll get dressed up like this much more in the future. And so now I want to say goodbye, guys. Goodbye!